Hello everyone, today we are going to be following the procedure to make our own gingerbread people. Start by getting out all the ingredients and equipment you need. You will need 350 grams of plain flour, or that if you don't have any scales, that is 2 1/3 cups of plain flour. You will need 175 grams of brown sugar, or 3/4 of a cup. You will need 100 grams of butter, or half a cup of butter. You will need 1 egg, 4 tablespoons of golden syrup, 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, or less if you prefer, a person-shaped cookie cutter, or if you don't have a cookie cutter, you could just use a glass and just make a gingerbread face, a wooden spoon, a rolling pin, icing, and raisins, or anything else you want to decorate it with. Now for the method. What you do. Step 1. Put flour, butter, ground ginger, and bicarb soda in a mixing bowl. Step 2. Mix it all together with your fingertips until it's crumbly. Remember to wash your hands before you start. Step 3. Add sugar, golden syrup, and egg, and mix with a spoon and then your hands until it forms a firm dough. Step 4. Using the rolling pin, roll out the dough until it is about 5 millimeters thick. Step 5. Cut out the people shapes with a cookie cutter. Place the people-shaped cookie dough on a greased or non-stick baking tray. With a grown-up's help, put the baking trays in an oven preheated at 180 degrees Celsius and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 7. Allow your biscuits to cool and then decorate with icing. Step 8. Enjoy. If you can, please take a photo of your creations and upload them onto our Google Classroom. We'd love to see them. Have fun.